Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's end of day market recap. Right now I have the crude up here, so I guess I'll start with the crude. I am watching the crude pretty closely here because we've had these semi down days the last couple days. But you see the last 2 days, Friday and Monday, they had big bottoming tail candlesticks. So as the market's trading off, I was not interested in selling until we're able to break through. Today we broke through, got some looks to the downside just in time, and then the market traded back up. It didn't decide to go ahead and push higher, which we were typically looking to trade for if the market breaks below and then pops back up. So now we're back down trading below yesterday's trading range, and that's going to be a point of interest. We have 1 hour left in the trading session today. I guess the U.S. session. I'm looking at crude though. But if this thing can trickle its way to the downside, I will continue to look short come tomorrow. If we pop back up and we create another bottoming tail hammer like we have the last 2 days, any type of upside move going into tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and look to play because we have crude oil inventories tomorrow. So there's a chance we could get some good movement early on, and then the market's going to go a little bit quiet just up until the numbers come out, and then the numbers come out, it'll get a little bit erratic, and then we'll continue trading from there. But in the morning, if we're able to push higher and make another bottoming tail hammer here, in the morning I will probably be looking for long side opportunities, and if it decides to sell off into the close, then we got one direction. It's a no-brainer. I will only be looking for shorts, kind of like we talked about in yesterday's video. So, let's go and take a look at the euro today real quick. We waited so long for the euro to get away from this $1.36. Now that we've broken through support. The problem with this, and I said in this morning's trading room, it's been moving in pre-market hours, so the European session. So it hasn't moved in the afternoon of the European session. So we haven't been able to trade it in a live trading room in the morning session simply because it hasn't been moving. The move has already been taking place or it's over. So I will continue to look for euro to the downside as long as it continues to break through the previous day's trading range and continue to look for that downside opportunity in the euro. The Russell. Guys, we've really been fighting this, guys. Lots of mixed emotions here with these sideways markets. The Russell has this low down here, has this high up here, and it's stuck in the middle. Always going to cause temporary buying and then temporary selling in here, trying to decide whether or not it wants to continue back to the upside, or is it going to just simply retest the swing lows just like it is chopping in this sideways fashion. So we will watch really closely here, guys. We're getting a little pop in the Russell, pop in the YM, but the other two instruments, the NASDAQ and the, or I'm sorry, I think we got a pop in the NASDAQ and the pop in the NASDAQ, pop in the Russell, but a drop in the S&P and the Dow. So we have two of them pushing to the upside, two pushing to the downside. They really need to iron themselves out, and we'll go with. So if we come in tomorrow and they're all trading to the upside, we're going to start looking for upside opportunities. If we come in tomorrow and they're all trading to the downside, we're going to start looking at Russell opportunities to the short, because the Russell short is definitely the best opportunity to the short side. All of them present decent opportunities to the upside from an intraday standpoint. So that's it for today, guys. I know there's not a lot of technical stuff to talk about because we're waiting and being patient in these areas, waiting for the markets to go ahead and make some moves. And until then, not a lot for us to do with our positions and tell them go ahead and iron themselves out. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good afternoon.